Hi guys, this is Nick Pink, panibagong vlog, panibagong gala na naman. So for today's vlog guys, naimbitahan nga ako sa isang dibu. Oo guys, naimbitahan tayo.
So let's begin.
Happy 18th birthday, Kali!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present the Chavez family. So next, we're Green Brothers, Arbella Chavez and Carla Chavez. Then her grandmother, Criselda Chavez. And of course, the very proud parents of the debutant, Mr. Crisbella Chavez and Mrs. Arlene Chavez. Everybody, let's give them a round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please rise as we welcome our debutant, a young lady of grace elegant as she makes her grand entrance. Let's give big a round of applause, our debutant, Carlina Chavez. Okay, thank you so much. Isang malakas na palakpakan nga na may kasamang sigawan para sa ating Chavez family.
Sa part na to guys, isa-isang tinawag yung 18 candles. So, lahat sila nagbigay ng message ng happy birthday para kay Kali. So, mga short clips na lang to ng video. And yung mga message nila guys. Kasi sobrang haba nito guys actually.
What can I say? They gave you wishes, and I hope the wishes will come true. My one and only daughter, my Caroline, my baby Caroline, my friend, my best friend, may away. Pero sisaramunan ko yan. Okay? Nandun pa rin yung nanay, mother and daughter relationship. So, what can I say about my little daughter, now a lady? She's very, of course, pretty like me. Mag-ring kayo, walang palakpakan. And of course, just always be humble. Okay, whatever you wish, whatever your accomplishments in life, be humble and be the God will be the center of your life. Alam mo yan, I always tell you with your siblings that put God first. Everything that you do, your goals in life, put God first because God will fulfill all your dreams. And be humble and don't forget your friends. Even though you are in college, graduating college, they're all very kind. And thank you very much to all your friends. Being kind to you. No? And they are very good influence to you. And of course, to your mga ninangs here, they are here to witness your being a lady. Okay, you are now 18. And of course, our relatives, our family, our I love family. Okay, na nandito, support all the way. Of course, your Lolo Matid is here and his family. Thank you very much, Uncle and Auntie, and to my cousins, Ate Jo, thank you. So, nakakalungkot lang kasi yung ako na gusto kong ma-witness yung 18th birthday mo. Hindi na siya umabot, no? Pero I know, Mama is very happy. Nasaan na siya ngayon. Pero siyempre, God's plan. Hindi natin pwedeng alisin. Okay? Hindi natin pwedeng pigilan. Kasi si God lahat ang nasusunod. So, nahaba ni sinabi ko na yan. Thank you din sa husband ko being supportive sa amin. Yan. Mga anak ko mababait, no? Dahil sila masunurin sa mami, daddy. Yung advices nila rin tinatanggap nila. Dito lang naman kami pa mag-advise, but the final is your decision to follow. Just like God. God gave us freedom to choose whether you choose the right and wrong. It's up to you. And di ko na tatatagalin, nagugutom na rin ako eh. Okay, thank you very much and you'll always be my baby.
Na to guys is 18 Roses, which is isasayaw nyo yung debutant. Ayan yung daddy ni Kali.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 80th birthday, Christine. Now make a wish and blow your candle.
Eto na nga guys, kainan na. Let's go! Sobrang ganda ni Kali dito guys. Naalala ko pa dati na preschool pa lang siya. So ako yung one of her teacher before. And yan, sobrang ganda na niya ngayon. Thank you so much sa pag-invite kay Nick Pink at sa masayang kaarawan mo, Kali. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Ate Arlene and Ate Baby. Thank you for watching. This is Nick Pink.